Hello. Today is Monday. March 16th. Today is Monday, March 16th. What's the weather like outside? What's the weather like outside? Yes? Very good. The weather is sunny. The weather is sunny and a little cold or a little warm. You decide. All right. I feel happy. I feel happy. How do you feel? Do you feel happy? Sad? Angry? Or tired? Please write. I feel happy. How do you feel? Please write. All right, class. Let's review. Bedroom. Items. What are some things in a bedroom? What are some things in a bedroom? Good. In a bedroom, there's a bed. Bed is spelled B-E-D. What else is in a bedroom? Very good. Desk. Desk is spelled D-E-S-K. Good job. All right. What else is in a bedroom? I know. A lamp. Lamp is spelled L-A-M-P. Okay, good. What else is in a bedroom? Do you know? All right, let's see. In a bedroom, there are drawers. How do you spell drawers? D R A W E R S. Drawers. All right. What else is in a bedroom? What else? Shelves. S H E L V E S. Shelves. All right. What else is in a bedroom? Does anybody know? Tommaso? Beatrice? Let's see. We're missing a wardrobe. How do you spell wardrobe? W A R D R O B E. Wardrobe. All right, so far we've got a bed, a desk, a lamp, drawers, shelves, a wardrobe, and what's missing? What's the last thing? Can you remember? Katerina? A rug. Good. A rug. All right. I am going to ask you, have you got these items? And you should respond, yes, I have, or no, I don't. Let's practice. Listen and repeat. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Very good. Number 1. Have you got a bed in your bedroom? Good job. Number 2. Have you got a desk in your bedroom? Very good. Number 3. Have you got a lamp in your bedroom? A lamp. Very good. Number 4. Have you got drawers in your bedroom? Good job. Next. Have you got shelves in your bedroom? All right. Number 6. Have you got a wardrobe in your bedroom? Good. Next. Number 7. Have you got a rug in your bedroom? All right, good job. I love your responses. Okay, next we're going to review prepositions. Please take your hand and make a circle. Very good. Next, please put the circle in front of your body. All right, we're going to practice our prepositions now. Please take one finger. One finger. All right. In, on, under, in front of, behind. Very good. Let's try again. In, on, under, in front of, behind. This time faster, faster. Okay? In, on, under, in front of, behind. In, on, under, in front of, behind. In, on, under, in front of, behind. In, on, under, in front of, behind, across, between, across, between. One more time. In, on, under, in front of, behind. In, on, under, in front of, behind, across, between, across, between. Very good. All right. Listen and repeat. This is a ball. Look at the top of the page. Good job. This is a bucket. This is a ball. This is a bucket. This is a ball. This is a bucket. This is a ball. This is a bucket. All right, fantastic. Let's practice. Where is the ball? What's that, Alex? Good job. The ball is on the bucket. All right, next. Where is the ball? What's that, Livia? Yes, the ball is in the bucket. Okay, next. Where is the ball? Gabriele? Good. The ball is in front of the bucket. Where is the ball? Sarah T? Good. The ball is behind the bucket. Where is the ball? Luca? The ball is under the bucket. All right, let's try again. Francesco, where is the ball? The ball is on the bucket. Good. Luca, where is the ball? The ball is in the bucket. Daniele, where is the ball? The ball is under the bucket. Next, Carlo Emilio. Where is the ball? The ball is in front of the bucket. Sarah P. Where is the ball? The ball is behind the bucket. Simone, where is the ball? The ball is in the bucket. Okay. Marta, where is the ball? The ball is under the bucket. Virginia, where is the ball? The ball is behind the bucket. Very good. Very good. Okay. We are finished with our lesson for today. Now you will do a worksheet and watch some videos about prepositions. Listen and repeat. Goodbye. See you next time. Bye bye, class.